The DeWalt DWE 575 compact circular saw features competitive advantages over the Makita 5007F, where the DeWalt wins: weight, capacity, durability, and ease of use. Weight. The DeWalt DWE 575 is 20% lighter than the Makita 5007F and is among one of the lightest circular saws in its class, weighing in at 8.8 pounds, with Makita at 10.6 pounds. Capacity. The DWE 575 also provides a greater cut capacity with its bevel scale ranging up to 57 degrees versus Makita's 45 degrees. Plus, the DeWalt circular saw will cut a full 2 9/16 inches. Durability. The DWE 575 features the Tough Cord system, which provides 12 times better resistance against cord pullout versus the Makita 5007F. Ease of use. Ever see a user bust their knuckles on the Makita circ saw? The DeWalt is ergonomically designed for maximum user comfort and control. Anti-snag lower guard geometry allows the guard to operate smoothly in every bevel angle up to 57 degrees. And every cut, while its ball-bearing design allows for long life even when operated in heavy dust environments. Where the DeWalt wins: weight, capacity, durability, and ease of use.
Ideal for framers, roofers, and carpenters, the 7 1/4 inch magnesium circular saw. The 15-amp motor with a max output of 2300 watts delivers proven performance. Made with magnesium components, this saw is well balanced with less weight. It has a beveled capacity that reaches 56 degrees. Its bevel adjustment and positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees ensure optimum cutting flexibility. The lowered guard design improves performance. The built-in LED light and dust blower enhances the line of cut for increased accuracy. The reinforced power cord withstands job site abuse. Make quick one-handed adjustments with its large rubberized levers with easy-to-read numbers and ruler markings. The 7 1/4 inch magnesium circular saw.